Welcome back to the channel. Y'all see this? This is my 1993 Nissan pickup truck. That's right, man. 1993. I've had this truck decades. I got it back in 94. This was my first and last car payment. Any vehicle that I've ever paid a car note on was this one. I was young, didn't know no better. And as you can see, this is back when fat was the style. Okay, right now everybody going tall, 20-inch rims. Back in my day, or back when it was popular, the wheels hung out way out here. That was the style then. All right, so yeah, I got it in. I mainly use this truck for junk, man, scrap yard. It's I don't have to get any emissions anymore. I'm here in Georgia, so I think it costs like $30 a month for liability insurance. I mainly use it in the shop to do scrap runs. I fill it up with scrap and go take it to the scrap yard, things like that, man. But from time to time, with any vehicle, you have to maintain it, and that's what I'm doing now. I don't even think I have 100,000 miles on this truck. I'm changing the oil right now, as you can see. It's a manual stick transmission, so I will find out later what fluid go in the transmission. I'm sure it's the drain plug and it's the fill plug of the manual unit. All right, so I'm gonna get that done. Right now, I'm just gonna do the oil change. It's not a four-wheel drive, so there's no transfer case. And the drive shaft, I mean, hey, it's a 93. What can you expect? Purr like a kitten, no problem whatsoever. I will get Nissan one credit, boy. They can know how to make long-lasting vehicles. The differential, I used to think for some reason this was sealed. It is not sealed. So I would do a differential service on it real soon. I'm sure that's the drain plug and it's the refill plug. So I will do my research and find out exactly what type fluid this take. I'm sure it's 90 weight fluid, but I want to be sure. I have the emergency brake on, so I'm gonna pull the drums off, inspect the brakes, things like that, man. I mean, I have never even replaced a cat or anything. I think most I've ever done was a tune-up, spark plugs. I'll let you see the top of the engine and everything when I'm done changing oil. It's about done now, so I'm gonna put the plug on and change the filter. I have a Polarity, that filter there I put on a while back last time I changed oil. I don't change oil every 3,000 miles. Because basically I hardly ever put 3,000 miles on it, man. That's gonna give me trouble, man. This ball joint right here, I'm sure it's part of the control arm. Oh, that could split any moment now. I'm glad I saw that. I may have to get, I don't care, man. This car is old, but I will be looking and see if there are any recalls on it. Recalls are lifetime, okay? So it don't matter. I mean, it's a safety issue. If Nissan have recalls on these ball joints, I'm for sure going to take them in and find out. Yes, I need 2 ball joints on both sides. All right, so and the other thing, I put tires on it. As you can see from the suspension, I dropped this thing. I got 2-inch blocks right here. I did this back in 94 when I first got the truck. Put these blocks under the differential that lowered it down 2 inches. Man, this was the style back in the day. Not so much now. That's why it's a junk truck now. I use it for a scrap yard and things like that. I have to keep a spare on. I don't even know if the jack in there, God forbid I have a flat. But I still want to maintain it because this is my baby. It's a truck. Every mechanic should have a truck. Every mechanic should have a way to load things up on the back of a vehicle. All right, so hang tight, y'all. I'm gonna let this down and show y'all the top of it. All right, stay with me. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am back. I have the car down. Let me prop the hood. As you can see, nothing special. A 4-banger, 2.4 liter look like, 2400, 12 valves. Okay, 12 valves, 3, 6, 9, 12. This is a 4-cylinder. You mean tell me there's 3 valves per cylinder? Wow. Okay, I don't think I'm aware of that strategy, that technology. This is a Nissan, so it's a little over my head. Now this have the R134 in it. I think 93 was right when they was switching from R12 to 134, and this truck probably was one of the guinea pig year, because 94 was when they fully implemented R134. So yeah, man, you can see, like I say, back in the day, the bow-legged wheels was the style. You see how much that wheel hanging out? Yeah, that was style back then. But man, this is a junk truck, so my glory years are over with this truck, and I'm okay with that. Yeah, you see radiators, I had a pile of radiators in here I just took to the scrap yard and made a little extra money. But yeah, so you can imagine back in 94 how clean I had this truck. I'm gonna pull up some old pictures and see if I can find one to post on this video. But so, oh yeah, I wanted to show y'all the mileage. Let's see if we can see the mileage. It is, what did I say? Oh, I am over 100, 102,467. So 1993 with 102,000 miles. I don't even remember when I crossed 102 or 100 for that matter, but that's it. Like I say, I've had to put some tires on it. Those bow leg tires. It's not that it's out of alignment, they're just, they crack. They dry rot before I wears them out. Truck sits, you know, for a long period of time. The sun, the tires just dry rot. So yeah, my 1993 Nissan pick 'em up truck. I thought I was the man back then. Yeah, see that? I even got my kid's name on there, Janae, Jasmine, and Tori. All right, so that's it, man. I'm gonna finish this oil change up, and I will get with y'all later. Thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.